In this demonstration, I'll show you how to check if the retention features are enabled, and if so, how to create a default retention period and set storage expiry. So let's get to it. First, we want to log into the Insight Management Console. And once here, we can quickly identify if retention management is enabled for the tenant. Due to some historical reasons, retention is not always enabled. You'll know simply by looking at the left-hand menu. If you see retention management, just here below policy management, then we know it's enabled. Otherwise, this menu item simply won't be there. If it's not, you can get this enabled by opening a support ticket with Arctera Technical Support, and they will then enable it for your tenant. Once it's enabled, you gain access to the storage management features. Within retention policies, at the very top here, we have a default retention period. Now this will have no number in there if this isn't enabled. So we will simply edit this to add in the default amount of time we wish to store all of the data for within our tenant. Below, we have a range of what are called retention policies. Now we have some further videos talking about how to create retention policies using AD and Entra groups and also using classification. So please do take a look at our Arctera YouTube channel for further videos on how to set these up and configure them. Once we've set the default retention period, no data is actually going to be expired from the system. To do that, we need to come through to storage expiry. When we come into storage expiry, at the top here, the storage expiry will be set as never. And that means that the data is just not going to get expired out. And you would simply edit this to change it to daily, at which point any data eligible for deletion will be removed. Now this will be all data which doesn't have a matching retention period or on legal hold. So any data on legal hold will not get expired, even if the storage period, retention period, has expired until the legal hold is lifted. And then in here, we'll get a notification showing us how many emails are getting removed from system on a daily basis.